just out here, is the car parking spots for Christian Horner and Adrian Newey. Horner's got a Range Rover, slightly predictable. Adrian Newey, I don't know whether he drives it or he gets driven in, an A8L, a long wheelbase Audi A8. And his wheels are massacred. The lad has curbed the crap out of those wheels, but who cares? How many championships? Exactly.
We have to be quite quiet because Izzy's right in the middle of her first piece to camera. She's doing a great job because what she's not doing is making out as if she knows too much, and she's coming in completely cold and just asking the questions that come into her head. And I think that will match the whole vibe of this video. She is that Drive to Survive Formula 1 fan. She's just got into it recently. She doesn't know all the technical stuff, but she's very keen to learn. As a Jaguar / Red Bull man, this room is like the holy grail. I collect basically all of these cars in model form. RB1, a V10 Formula 1 car that a Scotsman drove. Doesn't get much better than that. Adrian Newey asked for 2 years to make a proper Red Bull F1 car. So that means that the RB1 and the RB2 are essentially still Jaguars. They're kind of the Jaguar R6 and 7. RB3 was Adrian Newey's first clean sheet Red Bull Formula 1 car. Transition here into like the shark fin aero. There's a video about that on DRIVETRIBE somewhere from a couple of years ago. And one of the big differences that everyone's noticing is it's all gloss, and then we transition into the Red Bull matte here. I prefer the gloss, and I think everyone so far, Eve behind camera included, is liking the gloss. This is Red Bull Heritage. This is where, out of everywhere on campus, I'd want to work. It's got a casual Valkyrie over there, but then this is where all of the cars are fettled with for events and filming, just like we are today. RB8 is the one that Izzy's going to be filming with.
Yeah.
You come in.
Hello.
You're filming with RB8.
Yeah.
It's about, I mean, that's probably the most famous Red Bull car because it's been used in so much content.
Okay, and now we get to use it.
Well, you probably get to sit in it.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
I'm really interested to see where you actually sit in it.
I don't think you're going to be able to see my
Are you just going to
head. It'll be
disappear
like
into the
forehead.
cockpit?
Yeah. I'm not claustrophobic, so it's okay, but if you were... also, my feet are so far away from the pedals. Yeah. Oh, this feels wrong. I'm so sorry. Is that too cash?
So I've needed to stay composed because I can't disturb Izzy's piece to camera. I'm very much kind of co-director today, jumping in every so often, but come and have a look at this radiator. It is enormous. That must be about 3 feet in length, but it's canted over so you can get 3 feet of radiator into quite a small space. Then you see how much is just cut out. Like the access to the radiator, the air access, is way in there. This whole bit is nothing to do with the radiator. It's got this cowling that comes around it. Radiators and side pods weren't that big a deal back then, so this is RB3 Weber Coulthard. Now, it's so important. The cutaways underneath the side pods, the way they're constructed, all down to aero, is now such a huge component of Formula 1. The welds, the piping, amazing pieces of engineering. And the different wings, they go from like super square on the RB8. This one's quite big. As far as F1 wings go, this is quite sort of broad, and it's broad and tall. I love it. Formula 1 is just peak.
It literally looks like a baby seat. Oh my God! Oh God, it snapped. Oh God! Oh my God, I actually think I might be... I'm not joking, I actually think I might be stuck.
You're in.
You look so comfortable.
That is your driving position.
Whose seat is this?
This was the Coulthard's actually, out of the RB3.
Feet up on the pedals.
Yep.
Christ.
That's worked out.
There you go.
Somewhere around about there. Yeah.
Okay. I'm sorry, but he is so skinny. I feel I need to go to the gym or
You might not be
something.
now. Your laid back armchair, F1.
No, it's very comfortable. Very comfortable. So,
You're able to get
There
out.
you go. Try and get out.
oh my gosh, you know when you sit in like a plastic chair and it's stuck on you? Yeah. They're all mine. I'm pretty talented. Should I just whack it on over the top? Oh Christ, what if I break it? Oh, whatever. Probably should have taken my shoes off. Oh, it's quite narrow at the bottom. Okay, this is a sit-down operation. Oh, this is what I'm struggling with. Hang on, we have to go back out. I'm stuck in the suit. They've got to go. We go again. This is harder than the car. There we go. Oh, it's cozy. Yep. What? Am I being stupid here?
There you go.
It's low in the crotch. Feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I look like I'm part of the crew.
Oh, easy. You look
ready.
sick.
I'm ready.
You definitely walk differently in this. You're like proper like
I feel real
dancing it
important.
out. I feel like there's a bit more like sort of arm
Yeah, I
movement
feel
going on.
important.
Stretching.
I look like I work here now.
Walk
Who's
through-
this new pit crew girl?
It just send you through the canteen, just
Yeah.
like, Adrian, what up? Like,
Adrian,
dapping
let's
him.
talk tactics, man. I've got some ideas to run past you.
This is what they call the race bay. So you've kind of got a little paddock per car, and we've been given, I think this is a 18. It's enormous, and Izzy's been doing her pit stop practice. I'm so jealous. She's got all the Red Bull gear on. She's just like casually lifting up and put back down.
Go on. Go on. Bit more.
I've just broken it.
No, keep push. There you go. Now relax.
And
Easy.
that's the pit stop.
Easy. That was 6 seconds, 7 seconds on its own. Just to,
Yeah, a bit of practice, a little bit of practice.
By the way, we had lunch earlier, and we were the table over from Adrian Newey. I was sweating. I had to like take my cap off and like dab my forehead. I was going all red. Everyone at the table was laughing at me. We're in yet another room full of Formula One cars. This is what's called the warehouse. Everything from the Renault V8 cars, some brand new V6 cars here. These cars are cool, but if we nip round this corner, now everyone in the UK knows about the Red Bull Minis with the cans on them. This is a Red Bull Hummer, a Humvee. I mean, does it get much more cool and American than that? Already placed in the cup holders are a couple of Red Bull cans. By the looks of it, they've sectioned off the rear seats. So maybe from like here backwards is just Red Bull can storage. That was called B-Reeling. I'm kind of down with that these days.
Yeah, every time we shoot together, we pray for the B-reel to come on because it's fun.
Well, we missed probably the best one by like a minute.
I was fully race suited.
Fully race spec, and then a minute later we were in the sim, which is cool, but like, come on.
It's not cool enough.
You could have selfied in full pick gear.
Yeah,
But this,
it's not bad.
I mean, let's have a look at what your mates have put on.
Yeah.
I bet this smokes it.
Sat at work.
Sat at work, laptop,
Sat at work.
working from home.
Working from home.
Rubbish.
Boring. Working from Milton Keynes. Pretty cool.
DRIVETRIBE.
Got Stanley in there. Stanley, do not email me saying we'd love to give you some Stanleys.
You see, you're saying something like this. I've been saying this about Red Bull for years, haven't I? Literally, I'm like, when are Red Bull going to realise I wear their stuff, I drink their drink, I support their F1 team. You come along to fix a little rover. Oh, do you want to come down and be like the mechanic? And I'm like, yeah, cool, I'll come along too. So you saying about Buddy Stanley?
Sorry, I got you here. You're here.
Oh yeah, thanks. Something I've always wanted to do is touch the little pad behind the driver's helmet because they're lovely embossed with the Red Bull badge. So this is a Mark Webber RB6, so a V8 car. The PR lady's not here.